Hello everyone, my name is Mike White. Here at Paxata, I'm a senior solutions consultant. And today, I just want to ask you, when you're in Excel and you're working with your data and you're preparing it and you've done a whole bunch of things, you've hidden columns, you've deleted rows, you've find and replaced, you've trimmed some things, you've added some additional logic, and you come to the end and you ask yourself, what did I just do over the past several hours? Well, if you found yourself in this situation, not to worry, Paxata has a solution, and that's in our step editor, which will keep track of everything you've done and even make it easy to replay a bunch of steps against a different data set or data sets. Let's take a look. So here we are in a current project. If I open up the step editor panel here on the left, you can see all of the different data preparation steps that we applied to this set of data. And notice at the very bottom, we can pop out here and see how many columns and exactly how many rows we're working with after any step. We're at the very last step here, step 10, and who did it. You can see my name here and the timestamp. So we can see if we go through everything that's been done on this project, from starting with my web campaigns data, to appending some data, to joining a couple of different files. You see the colors here, to doing some clustering and splitting and reordering columns. And we did that all within a matter of minutes. And I invite you to think of how long it would take you to do all these things in your current tools like Excel or SQL. The other thing is that you have the ability to really easily come into the edit mode and to adjust the business logic or the options associated with any of these steps. And not only that, you have the ability to even drag and drop steps to alter the order. So I can take this split column step and drag it up here, and I can go to the very first step, and this is really powerful. Swap out the base data set and run all of the downstream steps against that new set of data. In this case, assume I've got another set of data for a new year, which I've labeled accordingly. You'll notice it has 51,000 rows. I bring that in and I hit save, and Paxata, you'll notice the color changes, the grid is refreshed, and we're now working with, again, 12 columns, and this time 51,000 records, 51,895 records. And all I have to do to refresh all of these downstream steps is to simply click on the most recent step, and Paxata will refresh the grid for you and bring you all the way to the end of your project. And now here we are. We can now publish this new set of data and work with it in our BI tools. And there you have it. It really is that easy to keep track of everything that you've done in a project in a simple visual view, and even to use that view to swap out different data files and rerun your analysis and to change steps and to reorder them, and much better than trying to worry about all that you've done in Excel or in SQL Server or whatever tool you might be using to keep track of your steps and your preparation activities. For other tips like this, tune in to our YouTube channel, Paxata TV.